Find your perfect product and supplier in minutes. Salehoo is a powerful research tool, supplier directory, and online community for dropshippers, wholesalers, and e-commerce stores. Salehoo has helped over 137,000 people just like you start and grow their online business. Salehoo is an easy-to-use tool that helps online sellers find profitable products from certified, low-cost suppliers. This is how it works. Step 1. You will find ideas for profitable, in-demand products by using our market research labs. Step 2. You will use the Salehoo directory to find trustworthy, low-cost suppliers who stock your chosen product. Step 3. And you will contact suppliers to get your new product at the lowest cost so you can resell it at a huge profit. And the best part? You'll have unlimited training and award-winning support every step of the way. All backed by a 60-day, money-back guarantee. Here's how to get the most out of Salehoo. Salehoo Market Research Labs discover and compare profitable product ideas. It spots hot selling trends and in-demand products before anyone else does. You'll discover which products have the highest profit margins and sell-through rates. You can find lucrative product ideas and low-cost suppliers who stock them. Salehoo Supplier Directory quickly find trustworthy dropshipping and wholesale suppliers. Set specific search criteria to quickly filter through over 8,000 local and global suppliers. Organize supplier details and safely negotiate the lowest cost for your products with no minimum orders. Get insider deals from suppliers, only available to Salehoo members. Smart Seller Training. Get a world-class education in sourcing and selling online. There's help for beginners with our e-commerce glossary, video tutorials, and online selling guides. Get step-by-step training on dropshipping, finding products, choosing suppliers, and more. You will learn from other successful sellers and fast-track your success in our online community. The fast and easy way to source and sell products online. Click the link below to get started today.